What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because we are just going to be doing an old school Sephora haul. This honestly may be the biggest Sephora haul that I have ever done. I feel like it was that time where I needed a restock on a lot of my products, and also all of the holiday gift sets are out now, so there was a lot of things that really caught my eye and new stuff that I wanted to try. So I admittedly went a little crazy, but I'm so excited about all this stuff. And the savings event is going on right now, which I'm sure you guys already know about. But if you don't know what I'm talking about, a couple times per year Sephora does a savings event where it's basically like a tiered event. I'm Rouge, so I get 20% off of almost everything that they have. And then if you're a VIB, you get 15% off, or an insider, you will get 10% off. And the Sephora collection is 30% off right now, which is awesome. And then the start dates are a little bit different. I got to shop a little bit earlier as Rouge, which was nice. I immediately put in my order. I grabbed a few things in store, but most of this stuff I ordered online, and it shipped really, really quickly, which I was really happy about because I wanted to get this up before the savings event was over so you guys could shop the savings event if you wanted to. And if you're not a Sephora insider, signing up is free. I will put a link to that down below in the description, as well as everything that we talk about in today's video. It will all be linked down below. I do want to thank Sephora for partnering with me on this video to let you guys know about the savings event that's going on. Y'all know I love Sephora and I do these videos every year. Without further ado, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you get notified of all my future uploads. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I don't even know where to start. I'm just gonna start with this because this I am really excited about. So this was one of my biggest upsets last year. Is I missed out on the Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes eyeshadow palette. So this was limited edition. Honestly, when they came out with it, I didn't realize that it was limited edition. So I didn't run out and purchase it immediately, and then it was always sold out, and then it was limited edition, so it was gone. But they brought it back, so I got it. Oh, I'm so excited because it looks so beautiful. Okay, it's my first time seeing it like in person. Oh. Just as stunning as I thought that it was going to be. I really love the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes palette. That's one of my most used eyeshadow palettes, so I would also recommend that if you're looking for a new eyeshadow palette, but I already own it, so I really wanted to try this one. Unlike the Master Mattes, this one has a mix of a bunch of different types of eyeshadow, so we have shimmers, glitters, mattes, some more satin colors in here, so I'm so excited about this. I can definitely do a tutorial using this if you guys want to see, but I was really excited that they brought this back, so I was able to get my hands on it because it looks like a beautiful everyday palette. Up next, I decided to splurge and get a little Dior product for myself. This is the Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette. Now, I have seen Meredith Duxbury, 100% credit to her because that's who inspired me to get this. I have seen her use this highlighter palette for what seems like years, and it looks so, so beautiful on her. So I decided to grab it. Oh, I thought it had like a scent to it. I think that was just me that I was smelling. Never mind. No scent. But really beautiful highlighter palette. You get 4 different highlight shades in here. So really, really excited. Again, this is a product that I will definitely use in upcoming videos for you guys. Let's do a little swatchy swatch though on at least one of them. Oh, that does look really pretty. Okay, now we have to just swatch all of them. Like, I can't just give up on just that. Now, this does come in 2 different shades. Those all look so pretty. The first shade, I think 01, which is the lighter one, that one was sold out, so I didn't get that. I got the 02, but I still think that this should work. So really, really pretty. So excited about that. Up next, I grabbed the Natasha Denona High-Gen Energizing and Hydrating Primer Serum. So what inspired me to actually get this? This is a new primer from Natasha Denona. The High-Gen concealer from them is so good. I have it on my under eyes today. I love it. It's full coverage, but very hydrating, and has been a new favorite of mine. I've been using it nonstop. So when I saw that there was a primer as part of the line, I was like, I think I'll probably like that because I have dry skin, so I'm always looking for hydrating primers. And if this is as hydrating as the concealer is, I am down for it for sure. So it has like a little dropper applicator like this. So really excited to try this out, see if it's worth the price. But again, if it's like the concealer, I think I'm really gonna like it. So that's why I grabbed it. I also got this little palette from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Hollywood Blush and Glow Glide palette. So this looks really pretty to me because it's basically like a blush and highlight palette. I believe this is part of their holiday collection, but you get this really beautiful blush and a highlight and a nice little mirror. So I thought that, oh, that blush is so pretty, but I thought that I would really, really like this, and looks like I will. Clearly I was kind of on like a skin kick. Like, I got a lot of skin products, but I think that's like actually most of the ones that I got. This one is more like skincare. This is from Say. This was a restock. This is their Sun Visor Broad Spectrum Moisturizing Sunscreen. I really like this. It gives a really pretty glow to the skin. And even though we're moving into the winter months, still important to protect your skin with SPF. I wear it every day, so I really like this one. It gives like a pretty glow. It has a very slight tint to it, so it doesn't leave a white cast or anything like that, and doesn't make me break out. So I really, really like this, and layers well underneath makeup, so I grabbed a restock on that. Also got a restock on my Olaplex Purple shampoo. I use a couple different purple shampoos. This one is like, if my hair is really, really brassy, this is the one that I will go to because this is really, really strong. Don't leave this on your hair for a long time because I'm telling you it's gonna turn purple, but if my hair is like really starting to look bad, this is the one that I reached for. So I grabbed a restock on it. Also grabbed the Olaplex No. 7 bonding oil as well. I love this stuff. I already opened this and used it. This is one of my favorite hair oils. Okay, let's get into some of the holiday gift sets. So this one I actually got for my cousin, but I thought it was so cute. This is from Fenty and this is the Glossy Posse Volume 6 little gift set. So basically you get 3 different of the Fenty gloss bombs. You get a gloss bomb cream, the original gloss bomb, and then the gloss bomb heat, which is like the plumping one. So I thought this would be a really cute gift for her. I know she loves the Fenty gloss bomb. So when I saw it, I was like, ooh, that's perfect as a little holiday gift. And it looks so cute too. I feel like I would just need to put like a little bow on this. I don't even have to wrap it because I am the world's worst wrapper. So I love when the holiday gift sets like look cute on their own. So I grabbed this. They had a ton of different holiday gift sets from Fenty. This was just one of them, but lots of options. If you like Fenty, definitely check it out. This next one I grabbed for myself, but I'm so excited about it. So I love the Sol de Janeiro body sprays, and they have this one where you got 4 of the sprays. They are a little bit smaller, so they're 1 fluid ounce. This is the size of them. With these though, is they're really scented, so you really don't need that much. Oh, I can smell them all from here, like mixing together. Smells so good, but I thought that this would be great for travel. I have honestly kind of upgraded to more of a carry-on girly. Like I used to be that person that was like an overpacker and needed like the big checked bag. I'm more of a carry-on girl now, but then you gotta watch the liquids where these are all under the liquid limit, so really great for travel or just throw in your purse for like a daily little refresh. And I've only ever used the original one. I haven't tried any of these other ones, so I'm excited that I get to try them. I feel like it's the perfect size to like try all the different ones and see which one's your favorite. So I'm excited. Another holiday gift set I picked up is from Say. I love Say, and my favorite product from them are their Dew blushes, and they have this little gift set which I thought was a really good value. You get 3 of their Dew blushes for $30. They are smaller than the like full-size Dew blushes, but these are really pigmented. I've tried them before, so like I feel like this would still last a really long time, and you get 3 different shades to use. This one is my favorite, Chili, but then you also get Rosy and Baby, which is this pretty little baby pink. I'm really excited to try this one, but these are basically like cream blushes that also leave a glow, and they're stunning. So really, really excited about this. Okay, next let's talk about a hair tool. So I got this Shark Smooth Style. So I'll be honest with you guys, as soon as this came in, I needed to try it. I actually used it on my hair today to do a blowout this morning, and I love it. So the reason why I got this, I do have the Dyson Airwrap and I do like that, but the round brush attachment on the Dyson Airwrap is really, really small. I have heard apparently they're coming out with a bigger round brush attachment, which would be cool, but I didn't know that when I ordered this. And honestly, to me, it doesn't matter because now that I've tried this, I'm like, oh my goodness, I love it. So this is what it looks like, and I feel like it did such a phenomenal job. I showered and let my hair air dry for like 20 minutes, so it was kind of like half dry, and then I went in with this and smoothed everything over. What's really cool is it has the brush part here where air will come out, but then on the sides, these actually heat up. So once you use the brush part to go through and dry your hair, you can turn on just the heated sides and go through and just smooth everything over. It was really, really easy to use, and I really, really like it. It was $100. I want to try the Shark Flex Style too, but I think that is $250, and we all know the Dyson is like $600 something dollars. So in comparison, definitely a more affordable product, and I think worked really, really well. So I was really excited about this. I also grabbed what I would call like my bougie shampoo and conditioner. I buy these like maybe once a year because they are a little bit pricier, but they're really, really good. This is the Orbe Gold Lust Repair and Restore Shampoo, and then I also got the conditioner. This is what the bottles look like. Y'all, these are so good. They will leave your hair baby soft. So I decided to get them because they are absolutely fabulous. This one is the conditioner. This is what the conditioner looks like, but if you have dry, damaged hair, check these out. Orbe makes really great products in general, but this Gold Lust line is incredible. I also grabbed a backup of my Skin Fix BHA cleanser. I feel like you guys have heard me talk about this 700 times, but if you have acne prone skin, definitely check this out because most acne cleansers just dry the crap out of your skin. This one does not, because I have dry but acne prone, and this is like the best cleanser for me. I like it a lot, and I go through them way too fast. So got another one. I grabbed a Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm. Everybody talks about these. I have tried one of them before. I think I have the vanilla one, but I grabbed this pink one. This is in the shade, does it say? Pink Sugar. I'll put a little bit on my lips right now. Ooh, this smells really good. Literally smells like sugar. Ooh. I love that. They are really nourishing to the lips, so I went ahead and grabbed one of these. And then I also got this lippy from the Sephora collection. Honestly, don't sleep on the Sephora collection because a lot of their stuff is pretty good. This is their cream lip stain. I have one of these in like a red shade, and I really like it, but I wanted to get a more neutral shade. This one is Marvelous Mauve. Swatch it here so you can see what it looks like. I thought this would be really pretty for like fall and the colder weather months. It's a little bit more of like a cool tone lippy, but these are really nice because they're very long lasting but not drying to the lips, so I really like them. So I went ahead and grabbed a little little fall shade. Next, I grabbed this little Touchland hand sanitizer kit. I swear, it looks like everybody on TikTok uses these hand sanitizers, and I was like, okay, I mean, how good can they honestly be? They really are good. They're little spray hand sanitizers and I love them. I keep them like everywhere. I have one in my car, one in my purse, if we need them on hand. I'm not trying to get sick this winter. I feel like I'm always the one getting sick. So hand sanitizer for the win. I got this little gift set that they had where you get 5 of them in different scents and they do actually smell quite good. They're not like that jarring hand sanitizer scent that a lot of other hand sanitizers have. And I do feel like these dry my hands out less than other hand sanitizers, which is why I like them too. Because a lot of times you guys will comment like your hands are so much lighter than the rest of your body, which honestly happens because of the hand sanitizer. And washing my hands and stuff, it dries out my skin so bad because I already have dry skin. So I never have any hope of like my self-tan lasting on my hands, but these I do feel like helps a little bit. So I grabbed this cute little set. And then last but certainly not least, you guys have already seen me use these 2 products in my testing viral TikTok products video, but wanted to mention them here because I did get them and they're like super viral products. It's the LYS Beauty No Limit Cream Bronzer Stick. I got this in shade Motivate, which is the lightest shade. I was nervous it might be a little too light, but honestly, it's not. And this blends like butter on the skin. So, so good. Really nice cream bronzer. And then I did also get the Drunk Elephant Be Goldie Drops. We all know the Drunk Elephant Bronze Drops, and honestly, those are not my favorite, but these Goldie Drops are beautiful. I really, really like these. On my skin tone, they're a lot more flattering than the Bronze Drops are, and I have been loving using them, so really, really like these and just wanted to mention that as well. All right, you guys, I think that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me. Definitely let me know if you guys are gonna be picking anything up during the savings event. Comment down below what you have your eye on. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.